In this video, I'm going to show you 10 smartphone gimbal moves that will instantly take your mobile filmmaking to the next level. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I'm going to be pairing up the iPhone 11 with the DJI Osmo Mobile. This is an incredibly affordable gimbal and really easy to use. I'll put links to it in the description below, but with that out of the way, let's jump straight into this tutorial with gimbal move number 1.
Okay, gimbal move number 1, it's a classic, the push forward. A nice easy one to start. Just point your gimbal forwards and walk at a nice consistent pace. Pro tip here, okay? Maybe don't do this on a really windy day on an uneven surface next to a cliff edge like I did. It really makes things harder than it needs to be. If you're just starting out, then practice on a nice flat level surface. Nonetheless, a great shot that helps set the scene and can really help establish your location. The crane shot. Okay, next up is the crane shot. Another easy one, this one, and will add huge production value to your footage. Simply crouch down with your camera close to the ground, use something in the foreground, lock off your gimbal to your focal point, and slowly stand up. This shot mimics a crane or a jib shot and is a camera move that is used in many Hollywood films. The fly-through. Very unusual this one, but still nice and easy to pull off. Find a gap that your phone and gimbal will fit through, the tighter the better, and carefully push your camera through it. No need to walk with this shot, just use your arms and upper body to create the movement. Pull your camera back out smoothly and you've instantly bagged yourself 2 shots at once. The slider dolly. Great for giving your shot a bit of life and movement, this one. Simply find something in the foreground and move your camera horizontally to either the left or the right. Keep your focal point in the background to combine depth and interest in your shot. The fake drone shot. No need for a drone with this one, just walk towards a cliff edge doing a push forward, but this time reach and stretch your gimbal out over the cliff edge. This shot mimics a drone, looks epic, and is perfect for revealing a beautiful landscape or location. Quick disclaimer, I take no responsibility for anyone who walks off the edge of a cliff. Safety first, folks. The push forward tilt. Takes a bit of practice, this one. We're going to push forward, only this time we're going to tilt our camera up. This shot is perfect for capturing tall buildings or anything that you can't quite fit in a traditional shot, as it allows the audience to look up and see all of your focal point. Okay, bonus tip. When shooting with a mobile phone, always ensure that you lock off your focus and exposure by tapping and holding your focal point like this. The last thing you want during a shot is an exposure change. This will really make your footage look amateur. The flyby. For this, we're going to move our camera very closely past something in the foreground. This shot creates a much greater sense of movement and gives the illusion that your camera is moving much faster than it actually is. The slider pan. Foreground is crucial with this one, and when done correctly can make for a much more interesting shot. We're going to move our camera horizontally whilst adding a slight pan to create a combination of camera movement. You can also combine a jib shot to your pan to take this maneuver to the next level, but might take a little bit more practice. The pullback. Okay, another super easy one, this one. Simply frame your shot and walk backwards. Check for any uneven ground or trip hazards, and you've just scored yourself a perfect ending shot to your videos. The crane reveal. For this, we're going to combine the push forward and crane shot whilst also using foreground to reveal our focal point. Now, we're definitely edging on intermediate and advanced level maneuvers here, but if you've completed the other camera moves, then you're absolutely ready for this one.
So those were 10 gimbal moves as individual clips. Now let's edit that footage together to create a sequence using music, sound effects, and color grading. see that footage really comes to life when you put it in the edit. If you'd like me to do a tutorial on how to edit a sequence like that, just let me know in the comments section below. If you'd like to learn more about video production, more about gimbal moves, then I highly recommend checking out my other video just over there with 10 more gimbal moves. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.